High cholesterol is often called a silent condition. You will not feel any physical pain. You will not experience any obvious discomfort. There are generally no clear warning signs, but over time it can quietly narrow your arteries and increase your risk of a heart attack or stroke. The good news is that you have options. In many cases, small lifestyle changes can improve your cholesterol levels. Today, we're going to explore science-backed ways to manage your cholesterol. We'll also look at common mistakes that keep people from seeing results. Let us start by understanding what we're actually trying to fix. Cholesterol is not entirely bad for you. Your body actually needs it to function properly. It's used to create hormones, produce vitamin D, and build cell membranes. The problem is not simply having cholesterol. The issue arises when there's an imbalance between the different types. LDL is often referred to as the bad cholesterol. If LDL levels are too high, it can build up in your artery walls. HDL is known as the good cholesterol. It helps carry excess cholesterol back to your liver to be removed. Triglycerides are another type of fat in your blood that also impact heart disease risk. Eating more soluble fiber is one of the most effective dietary changes you can make. Soluble fiber acts like a sponge inside your digestive tract. It binds to cholesterol particles in your gut. This prevents the cholesterol from entering your bloodstream. Your body then naturally eliminates it. You can find soluble fiber in oats, barley, beans, and lentils. It's also in fruits like apples, pears, and oranges. Do not rely on a magic supplement to fix your numbers. Start simply by having a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast. You also need to look at the types of fat you consume. Not all dietary fats have the same effect on your body. You should aim to reduce your intake of saturated fats. This means eating less butter, fatty meats, and processed sausages. You should also avoid industrial baked goods and fried foods. Instead, try to increase your healthy fat intake. Olive oil, avocados, almonds, and walnuts are excellent choices. You do not need to eliminate fat completely from your diet. The goal is to make smarter substitutions in your daily meals. Eating fatty fish regularly is another strong recommendation. Fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring are excellent for heart health. They are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s can help lower your triglyceride levels. They also reduce inflammation and improve how your blood vessels function. This provides broad support for your cardiovascular system. Try to include fatty fish in your diet about twice a week. Cutting back on ultra-processed foods makes a significant difference. This change is not just about your cholesterol. It is vital for your overall metabolic health. You should limit sugary drinks, soda, and commercial snacks. Store-bought cookies, potato chips, and fast food should be eaten rarely. These items often contain hidden fats and refined sugars. Replace them with whole fruits, nuts, and plain yogurt. Fresh vegetables are always a better choice than a packaged snack. If you're overweight, losing a little weight can help. You do not need to lose a massive amount to see benefits. Losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight changes your lipid profile. This small reduction can lower your LDL and triglycerides. It also helps improve your blood sugar levels. Do not chase the idea of a perfect weight. Focus on making sustainable improvements to your body composition. Gradual progress is much healthier than rapid fad dieting. Regular physical activity is one of the best habits you can build. Exercise helps raise your HDL cholesterol. It also helps lower circulating triglycerides and improves blood flow. Staying active makes weight management much easier. You can choose activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Dancing, gardening, or simply taking the stairs also count. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity each week. Try to combine this cardio with strength training 2 days a week. Consistency is more important than the intensity of the workout. Quitting smoking is a critical step for your arteries. Smoking lowers your good HDL cholesterol and damages your blood vessels. This damage speeds up the progression of atherosclerosis. You should also be mindful of your alcohol intake. Drinking too much can raise your triglycerides and your blood pressure. Keeping alcohol consumption moderate prevents unnecessary strain on your heart. Many people completely overlook the roles of sleep and stress. Chronic lack of sleep affects your hormones and eating habits. Prolonged stress also contributes to weight gain and higher heart disease risk. Your body needs rest to repair and regulate its systems properly. Make it a priority to get enough quality sleep each night. Find simple ways to manage your daily tension. Walking outside and practicing deep breathing can help calm your mind. Spending time with family and friends is also a good stress relief. A rested body is much better equipped to maintain healthy cholesterol levels. It is very important to discuss medication when talking about cholesterol. Not everyone can reach their target numbers through diet alone. Sometimes lifestyle changes are simply not enough. If you have very high LDL or existing heart disease, you might need extra help. People with diabetes or a strong family history face a higher baseline risk. In these situations, your doctor may prescribe medication to lower your levels. Taking medication is not a personal failure. It is a proven tool used to protect your cardiovascular system. You should always follow your doctor's advice regarding prescriptions. Try to include a variety of heart-healthy foods in your daily routine. Eat more oats, legumes, fatty fish, and extra virgin olive oil. Snack on avocados, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Add leafy greens, apples, oranges, pears, and berries to your meals. There is no such thing as a single superfood. It is your overall dietary pattern that makes the real difference. A diverse, whole food diet provides the best foundation for cardiovascular health. Many people waste hours looking for a quick fix. They search for a magic juice or a special supplement. They want to find one specific food that will clean their arteries. Science clearly shows that no single food can do that. True results come from a combination of healthy habits. You need a balanced diet and regular movement. You need to manage your weight, avoid smoking, and control stress. You also need to get your health checked regularly by a professional. Focusing on the basics is much better than obsessing over a fad. If you just received a high cholesterol test result, do not panic. You do not need to look for a miracle cure. Start by focusing on simple, manageable changes. Eat more dietary fiber and replace saturated fats with healthy alternatives. Include more fish in your meals and take a walk every day. Get enough sleep, manage your stress, and work with your doctor. Cholesterol does not drop because of one major decision. It drops because of hundreds of small choices repeated every single day. These daily choices form the foundation of your long-term health. This is how you build a healthy heart for the years ahead.